Hello, we are so excited to show you how to submit a portfolio for option B in language arts and math. Here's the opening parent portal page. You will click on your demo student and it will show you the classes that you've been loaded into for that student. On the portfolio page, it'll show a collection of your portfolios, and it does have a tab here that you can click Add Portfolio Entry, but please do not use that to submit. Go to the class, and as you enter that, you will click the Show Details button, which will show the details on what you are submitting in. There are 16 language arts skills that you will submit on. It will be 2 per month. So for the month of September, I will choose 2 of these to create a portfolio entry about. So let's say that I have my student has been working in speaking and listening, and he's created a speech to give to someone. And so I will click on this, and I started this earlier, but as I go in there, you can click Add File, and you just click Browse and add either a picture or something that you've saved on your computer to show evidence or to show the exciting things that you're doing. So you can add files that way, or you may go to a Google Doc. If you've written one of your narrative stories or opinions, you can copy that link and you would enter that in right here to connect that to the portfolio. You can also add the link down here, and then we'd love to have a description of what they've been working on. Give us some details of how it went, what they learned, maybe some things that they're struggling in, successes that they had, just a short paragraph. We even love it if the kids will get involved and tell us how it was for them and have them be involved in writing the short description of what's happened on this skills checklist. So you will write your information there, and then you will click Save. When you click Save, you can either save it as a draft if you're not quite completed. Then you can go back to it and finish it. Once you've finished it, you will click Submit, and it will show that it's blue, meaning that it is turned into the teacher and they are reviewing it. And after that is reviewed, it will come back and mark it green, and that means that this skill on the checklist is complete. The teachers will leave feedback, and the feedback can be found on the home page. In your parent portal, it will show, actually it's right here, the feedback will be shown on each, for the student on the front of that page. Now for math, it will be loaded into the different grade levels. So this is a 3rd grade student, so this is showing the 3rd grade skills that they will need to accomplish for that grade level. There also are some leftover ones where you can submit a math skill of your choice. So you could repeat one of these if they needed extra practice with it. Maybe they wanted to extend their learning and go beyond, and so you wanted to showcase that in a math skill of your choice. So you would choose 2 of these each month and submit just the way that was shown. So you're focusing on these skills. Also within, there's another button, Standards. This is another way that it will show in a different view how you can see which ones you've completed and not completed. For speaking and listening, I've submitted 2 things, so you can submit more than once on something if you want to show us more. The more detail that we get, that you're showing us your successes and things that maybe they're struggling in, the more that as teachers we can help enhance the learning that's happening in your home. This is the way that you communicate with us. And then for science, social studies, and electives, you submit once a month, like we've given in the directions. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us and let us know if you have questions. We're here to help, and we'll be excited to see the things that you're working on this month. Thank you.